Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a coffee and walnut cake. Let's begin. So to start your recipe off, you'll want to dissolve your coffee granules in the boiling water, and then you'll want to give it a good mix and allow it to cool, setting it aside until you need it later on. So to start on the cake, get yourself a large mixing bowl and place in your butter and your sugar and beat the two together until they are lighter and fluffier in colour and consistency. Once you achieve that, you can then give the bowl a good scraping down just to incorporate any bits of butter or sugar that haven't been fully worked in previously. So then you can start to add your eggs one at a time, beating well in between each addition, and if you do it this way, it does prevent the mixture from curdling. So once your eggs have been fully added, you can then add in the coffee mixture and just give it a good mix in until it's fully incorporated. If it does curdle, don't worry, you'll be able to fix it when you add your dry ingredients. Now you can add in your dry ingredients, passing them through a sieve just to remove any lumps that may be in the dry mixture. You will then want to incorporate these on a low speed to start, working your way up to a medium, and once there's not a trace of the flour, you can add in your walnuts and then give it another good mix just until the walnuts are fairly distributed throughout the cake batter. You can then divide the cake batter between the two cake tins and then spread it and level it off and place in the oven to bake. For the buttercream, I will leave the video down below. You'll just want to make a batch of my basic buttercream and then add in some of the coffee mixture that you made earlier on, and then give that a good mix until it's fully incorporated. It will change the colour of the buttercream, but this is what you want. Give it a scrape down to incorporate any bits that haven't been fully worked in. Then you can transfer it into a bowl or a piping bag fitted with a nozzle if you want to. So once the cakes are fully baked and cooled, you can then remove them from the tin and start to work with them. If you're using the same tins as me, the push-up bottom ones, you'll want to remove the bottom off. Don't leave them in, really won't add to the flavour or anything. You can then grab yourself a cake stand or a plate and place your first layer of cake onto it. You can feel free to level the cakes if you want to, but I didn't feel the need to in this recipe. I then pipe rosettes around the edge of the first layer of cake and then just pipe a swirl in the middle as you might see it. Then you can put the second layer of cake on top, pushing down a little bit just to secure it in place. Then feel free to pipe your rosettes on top. I worked the outside in, but feel free to work the inside out, whichever way works best for you. On some of the rosettes I piped an extra bit on top, or you could just pipe them extra high, and this is where I will place the walnuts, but feel free to chop your walnuts and just scatter them on top so it's more evenly dispersed throughout the top of the cake. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again next week with another video, so join me then. Don't forget to check out the description of the video, as there'll be all the links that you need to the blog, which will have the full recipe, my social media and any other links that you may need. So don't forget, check all that out, and I'll be back next week. Bye guys.